I'm just finishing off Jeff's R380. The parts came yesterday, so I thought I'd better jump on it. I thought it was a good opportunity to go back and have another look at one of these, how to set the bias springs up on the shifter. This is the same for LT77s and R380s. When this came here, and if you can see here, there's a great big gap here. There's a great big, no sort of a gap there, I don't know, but there was a gap. Anyway, what you're supposed to do, this is how you do it. You either select third or fourth, right? So we're going to select third, and you can see there that this one here is not, it's not, well look, you see, rock it a little bit. See what's happening? So what we're going to do is just gently, while that's in a, we want that to be in a nice little position, so we're going to wind this up so it just to say touches, then wind down the lock nut, and with a second spanner hold that one in place and tighten up the lock nut like that, look. And the same for this one, just give it a little touch over, take that up quite a way. Spring could be bent, you see, you never know. Bring down the lock nut, just get that just to say touching. So when it's in neutral, it goes straight into third or fourth. And that's all there is to it, because all the other gears will follow suit. So if you're in neutral now, wait a minute, is that in neutral? I can't tell. Ah, that's in neutral, there you go. It's very difficult to tell just on the bench. That's in first, you see. You push across into first. It shouldn't be easy into first, and then when you put it into neutral, you're straight into third or fourth. It doesn't really matter. Right, it'd be like that. That was just a quick one.